Hi everyone, how is it going? Welcome to the channel or welcome back. So how you are doing? I hope you're doing fine. I am a little bit busy right now in the moment because I have a lot of stuff to do, lot of websites to put out, a lot of SEO work I have to do. So yeah, sorry for the late video, but here's my new video. And in this video, I want to talk to you about the topic of how do you start an e-commerce store or e-commerce business with WordPress. So if you want to start an online store, if you want to sell something online, because I think, yeah, now or yeah, well, for the past decade, it is a really good idea to make an e-commerce business and sell stuff online because, yeah, more and more people are buying online, searching online, and yeah, you can sell almost everything. And the good thing about your own e-commerce store is you don't have to rely on the different platforms like Etsy or eBay or you name it. So this is much better when you start your own website. I think you save a lot of money. You are in full control of the website and so on and so forth. And this is why I want to show you how you can start your e-commerce business with WordPress. So of course there are a lot of other platforms out there where you can start your business, for example, Shopify or I think even Wix or all the other platforms out there. But I think it is, in my opinion, it is much better when you start your own store on WordPress or WooCommerce, because yeah, it is your own and you have full control over it. If you start, for example, an e-commerce store on Shopify, then yeah, it is not your store because the platform belongs to Shopify, for example. And if Shopify don't like what you sell or yeah, have something against you, then they will close your store, and yeah, this is not good. And also, of course, the monthly fees are very high on Shopify and on Wix or you name it, the other services. And this is why I always go with WordPress when I start an e-commerce store, because yeah, it's definitely much cheaper. You don't have to pay these ridiculous fees of Shopify. You can go with $3 per month and yeah, you are good to go. So, and today I want to show you a quick overview on how this all works, what is required and everything. So I made a list here, and so I want to start the list now. So we start with the topic, what do you need to get started? So of course, first of all, you need a hosting service and a domain name. Hosting service is a web space, a hard drive, something like this. Yeah, a server somewhere in the internet, and there you have to rent out these hard drive space that you can store your WordPress data and all the files on. And of course, then you need the domain name to connect the hard drive, the server, to yeah, through your domain name with the internet, that somebody can find you. And the problem is, yeah, don't overpay. Yeah, don't overpay, pay attention to the features. So when you search for hosting on Google, then you see all the ads popping up. And when you click on the ads, then they say it's $10 per month and yeah, so on and so on, because yeah, they have to make the money back from all the advertising. And this is not the case, that you have to pay that much money for hosting and the domain name. So it is much cheaper. There are much cheaper options out there that I want to show you. I want to show you my favorite company, for example, where I host all my websites on. Then what's important next is pay attention to the features. So you need specific features. For example, you need yeah, enough storage space on the hosting. You need an email has to be included, an SSL certificate that your website is secure, that you get the little lock in front of the domain name. This is, and a lot of other stuff I will show you later. So, and then the next thing is install. If you bought hosting and a domain name, then it's really important that of course install WordPress, but you have to go with WordPress.org, and there's also a WordPress.com version, and WordPress.com is a different company. They have both the same name, but it's a different company. So WordPress.com is like Shopify or Wix or Squarespace, so that you pay the higher prices and you rent out or you make there a website and you don't own the website. So this is a little bit tricky, so pay attention to this. So if you want to make a real WordPress website where you have full control, full ownership, then make sure that you go to or go with WordPress.org. If you go to the website WordPress.org, then you see a button, download the files. It depends. When your hosting company offers a one-click WordPress installation, then you don't have to download this. So the most companies offer now a one-click installation. But if you have some very old hosting service, then you have to download it and install it manually. But most hosting services offer a one-click installation so that you don't have to download it. You simply click the button that says click here to download or to install WordPress on your new website, and that's it. But I want to show you that there is the version WordPress.com, and don't be confused when you see both names. So stay away from the .com, always go with .org. This is the real version of WordPress. Then, of course, after you installed WordPress, then you have to go install WooCommerce. So WooCommerce is the extension, the eCommerce extension. You can simply install it. It is a plugin I will show you. This enables your website to be e-commerce ready. And the next theme I want to show you later is choose the right theme. There are also free themes and there are paid themes, and you have to decide which route you are going. So then let me first show you hosting and domain name. Of course, maybe you know right now which domain name you want to register or which domain name is free. If not, then I can recommend you a really good website, a really good program here. This is completely free. It is instantdomains.com. I will put the link in the video description down below if you want to check it out. And I use this all the time. This is really cool. So simply, for example, when you go with or when you want to register, for example, shoe shop New York, then you can see it's already taken. Okay, then because red, it's already taken. And normally, I don't know why the program, the website shows you a few names what are free. But I don't know why this is not working. When you go, let me see, here you can see shoe shop New York 24. This is free. This is green. You can register it. And the next thing is the hosting. So I always go with A2 hosting. So A2 hosting, maybe you are familiar with A2 hosting. I think A2 is one of the best hosting companies. They don't advertise that much. This means they are not so known out there, but they save the budget for advertising, and so this is why they can offer cheaper prices. So I always go with A2. Let me show you the packages, and here you can see, for example, for hosting, you can see they have 4 different plans: Startup, Drive, Turbo, Boost, and Turbo Max. If you want to start a normal e-commerce store, let's say up to 100, 200 products, then it's more than enough when you go with the starter plan for under $3 per month. But if you want to have more products or a little bit a bigger website with more files, more functions, then you can go with Drive or even Turbo Boost if you want to spend this money. But normally you can start a normal website or a normal e-commerce store with the startup plan. So this is like more than enough. You can install WordPress here. You can register your name. They have a one-click WordPress installation. They have a really good service. You can see here, you get one website. You can one website or one domain name, and 100 gigabyte SSD storage. So that means the hard disk that you are renting in the server farm is 100 gigabytes. So this is really huge. And imagine the most space you need. Hard drive space are images. So all the other stuff are files, HTML files, PHP, and they are really small. And you only need hard drive space when you have a ton of images or videos or something like this. So then free and easy site migration. We don't need this money back. Okay. Thought I could see more features here. Let me click here, get startup. Nope. Here you can see for 1 year it's 35 or 36 US dollars. It was 131. But with this plan, you will also get free SSL. Okay, I think they did it. They put it up here. With all these plans, you get a free SSL certificate. This is a must-have, so that your website is secure, high performance. This is it. And also the one-click, because I know this. The one-click installation, you get a cPanel, everything you need. You can register your domain. If you want to have the link for this website, I also put the link in the description. You can check it out if you want. This is my favorite. I register all my websites on this plan, or most of my websites I register on this plan on HA2 hosting. Maybe check it out or not, or you can go with any other. You can go with GoDaddy or you name it. There are so many, but this is, I think, the cheapest and best. So I really like it. And what was the next? So then exactly, then you have to install WordPress. You can, like I said, there's a one-click installation button. Then install WooCommerce. This is also really easy. So here is one of my stores. So this is currently have no products. I don't know what's going on here. So this is a test store. Then WooCommerce is a plugin. So if you have a fresh installation, you don't have all these features here. You simply go to plugins. Where is my plugins button? There's my plugins. And then you go to add new plugin, and then you will search for, here's a search bar. You can search for WooCommerce, and WordPress gives you millions of different plugins that you can use. There is a plugin for almost everything. And the great thing about WordPress and WooCommerce, most plugins are completely free. So when you take a look at, for example, Shopify, every plugin you install, you want to use, every extension you want to install costs you a ton of money. And this is the great thing. Most plugins here are free. This is really great. So here you can see WooCommerce. It's completely free. It doesn't cost you anything. There are no costs. This is one of the best e-commerce platforms in my opinion. You can see I am already installed it and activated. If I don't have it had it installed, then I had this install now button, and simply install it, activate it, and then there's a setup wizard that asks you everything, what you want to sell, your name, your address, and so on, and it will guide you through the whole installation process of WooCommerce. This is also really great. And So this is really easy. And then I think the next thing is, choose the right theme. So there are free themes and there are also paid themes. So you have to decide. If you go to, let me show you here, where is appearance? Where's appearance? I cannot find appearance. There's appearance, themes. Here you can see in WordPress, here are all your themes. So right now I have 2 themes installed, the main theme, Astra, and a child theme of Astra. So this means I can make custom CSS codes here and changes, and if there's an update, then this is not affected. So, but this doesn't have to bother you. So I really like Astra. Astra is a free WordPress theme. You can make really cool websites. For example, this is a little bit this website. This is the back end of this website here. This is a little bit more text heavy, so SEO optimized. You can see this is the store. I put a lot of text in there for SEO purposes. So for example, this is a running store. Right now with no product, I have to work on this. But there are a ton of other great themes out there, free themes. If you want to like it, check it out. Astra, they also, if you install Astra, then they have one-click installation for all the demo content. So then simply go to add new theme. And here you can see all the themes. So here's a list: popular, latest themes, blog themes, favorite themes, or you can filter it. So here you can see I have installed Astra. This Astra runs with Elementor, the Elementor page builder. I think this is really great. And there are a ton of free WordPress themes and e-commerce themes. If you search here in the search bar, for example, for e-commerce, you have to do a little bit of research what kind of theme you want to use. Here you can see there are a ton of different e-commerce themes. They are all look a little bit different. So you have to you can click on preview and then you have to choose your favorite theme. If you want to go with a premium theme, then I would recommend, let me show you real quick, then I would recommend ThemeForest, ThemeForest.net. So this is the largest database of paid premium WordPress themes and WooCommerce themes. You will find everything. So let me show you. Here's a search bar. You can find here code snippets, video, audio, HTML files, everything. Simply search here for, let's search for shoes in e-commerce, excuse me. So this is a Shopify. Let's go for no, let me go back. Shoes in WordPress. We have to, okay, now we can see, you can see the first store, sneaker shoe theme for WooCommerce, WordPress. You can see the star rating, the pricing, and there are thousands and thousands of great premium themes. So the premium themes, of course, they are a bit nicer. They have more fancy styling. They have more functions, and this is why they are. They cost money. Let me click here. So and you have support here. You will get 6 months of support. If you buy a theme and something isn't working, then you simply can write them or mail them, and then they will help you out. So, by the way, if you need help with your website, with your e-commerce store, with your SEO, with your search engine optimization, then you can also hit me up, and I will help you build your website, build your e-commerce store, or take care of your SEO. Link in the video description down below. There you can book a call with me, a 15-minute call. We can discuss everything if you want to. If you are on the lookout for somebody experienced that will help you create your stuff. But yeah, let's go back here a little bit. Self-promotion. Okay, broken images, nice. Let me here, live preview. Here you can read a ton of the theme. Here you can see the preview of this specific template. You can sell everything. You don't have to sell shoes. You can customize everything. You change the colors, change everything around. This is the great thing on WordPress and WooCommerce. You can change everything, add new stuff. This is only for a beginning, for the beginning, that you have to have something to work with, that you don't have to start from scratch. And yeah, simply explore this, and yeah, maybe you will go with the paid theme route, then go with this. So the website is ThemeForest.net. I will try to put the link in the video description down below if I remember this. Then yeah, go with ThemeForest. Otherwise, simply search here for your desired e-commerce theme. Okay, perfect. Then that's it here. So then yeah, design your store, add your product categories, and add your products. So this is also really simple. If you set up your store, you style your store, then yeah, of course you have to add some products and some categories. This is really simple with WordPress and WooCommerce. Simply go to, you can see here is WooCommerce, all the settings here, and here's products. Here you can see the categories and all products. You can add a new product. This is really easy. Add all the images, add the description, add videos, add testimonials, etc. So yeah, this is really simple. So I think it's self-explanatory. Then yeah, set up payment methods. Of course, if somebody wants to buy something from your store, then of course you have to add a payment method. And the great thing about WordPress and WooCommerce, they support everything. Every payment method you can imagine, they support. So PayPal, Stripe, I don't know, Authorize.net, everything, credit card, debit card, Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies, Ethereum, everything you can imagine. So, and this is really simple. So every platform like PayPal, Stripe has its own plugin. So you can simply go, let me show you, simply go here, WooCommerce settings. And it's one click, and then you have installed the right payment method. Simply go to payments, and there you can see all the payment methods. Right now on this store I have WooPayments. WooPayments is Stripe, so with this payment I can accept credit card payments, but I think PayPal as well. But also you can add a lot more, everything you want, the payment method you can add here. This is really great. So yeah, okay, then this is out of the way. So then of course optimize your store for SEO. This means that you have to do all the title tags, meta descriptions, your sitemap, your on-page SEO, your product page SEO, and all the category pages. You can do so many with SEO. Yeah, you have to optimize the description. You have to optimize the URL structure, but this is another topic. Maybe you can check out my channel. There I think I have a few videos about this topic, or in the future I will make some more videos about SEO optimizing e-commerce stores. So, and this is why you should of course first of all like my video and then subscribe to my channel, please. Yeah, I will put out more videos about this, how you can do this. And yeah, SEO is really important if you want to get found on the organic way. So this is why I have so many content here, so many written words, and so many optimized headings and so on. This is yeah, why this is the way it is. And yeah, if you need help with your SEO, hit me up, link in the description. So then the next thing is optimize your product pages for SEO. So yeah, you want you want that Google will, or Google, Bing, and all the other search engines, that they will show your product. If you sell red shoes, for example, then of course you have to optimize the heading, the URL structure, the product description, the images, the videos, everything for SEO, and also make the product page really nice. So yeah. And then the last thing is think about different marketing methods. There are a few marketing ways you can go. For example, content marketing. Yeah, this means write content on your website, blog, or on other pages, external pages. For example, I don't know, LinkedIn, Medium, or other platforms. You can also go the social media route. Social media is really important. Make TikTok videos, make Pinterest posts, make Twitter or X posts, yeah, you name it. Then there's also paid ads and etc. So because especially when you are starting fresh with a new domain, with a new store, and then nobody knows you, Google doesn't trust you, Google did not show you because your website is new. Google yeah, don't trust your website. So in the first at least 6 months you have to choose one of these ways to get customers to your new store, to your new website, because yeah, in the first, I think, 6 months, it's unlikely that Google will show you in the search results, because yeah, you are too new, and maybe the competition is too high. And think about a different marketing way to get yeah, to get customers to your store. And yeah, I think that's it for the video. So if you have any questions, then please let me know in the comments down below. Tell me if you have some experience, maybe tell me if you have more questions, what I should talk about. If you have a specific question about a specific topic, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, so if you need help, like I said, you can get in touch with me. There is a link in the video description down below where you can book a one-on-one call with me if you need my help. And yeah, otherwise, thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.